Hello everyone. So we have already discussed how to name an organic compound using IUPAC system. So this is also a continuation of the topic. So here we use this preferential order. So when you name an organic compound using IUPAC system. Okay, so let's see an example. Then you will understand what is this preferential order. Let's see an example. CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH2. So now when we write the IUPAC name of an organic compound, so first we start with the root word. So how do we give the root word? We give the root word based on the number of carbons in the longest chain of that organic compound. So we have only one chain. So in that one chain, how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are there. So for 4 carbons, the root word will be but. And so in the main chain we have a double bond over there. So since we have a double bond, the primary suffix will be "-ine". So it will be but-ine. But what is the position? What is the position of this double bond? So here you may give numbering in two ways: 1, 2, 3, 4. So first carbon, second carbon, third carbon and fourth carbon. Or if you start from right side, so this will be the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon and fourth carbon. Okay, so now which way is the correct one? So here you have to give preference to the double bond. You have to give preference to the double bond so that it will be given priority, means it will get the least number. So if you give numbering from left to right, so the double bond will be between third and fourth carbon. And if you give numbering from right to left, then the double bond will be between first and second carbon. So which one is the best rank, or which one is given priority? So when you give numbering from right to left, so when the double bond is between first and second carbon, so that will be the better rank for this double bond. So that's why we write the position of double bond as 1. So "-ine" indicates a double bond, so which is present at the first carbon with the second carbon. So this will be but-1-ine. See another example. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH3, and you have Cl over here. So now again you will take the longest chain of carbon atoms. So this will be the longest chain of the carbon atoms. Now in this, how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for 5 carbon atoms you will write pent as the root word. And here you all have carbon-carbon single bonds. Here a single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond. So there is no double bond. So this will be "-ane". So since all are single bonds, so just it will be pent-ane. Now coming to the substituent over here. Since you have a substituent over here, that is chlorine, so what will you write as a prefix? Prefix will be chloro. And so what is the position? So now again you can give numbering in two ways: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now which one is the correct method? Again, if you give numbering from left to right, so chlorine will be on the fourth carbon. If you give numbering from right to left, 1, 2, 3, chlorine will be on the second carbon. So between 2 and 4, which is the least number? 2 is the least number. So you will give numbering from right to left only. So you always have to see that the functional group or the substituent or the multiple bond gets the least number only. So it will be 2-chloro-pent-ane. Okay, let's see another example. CH3, CH, CH2, CH, CH3, Cl, CH3. Now again in the longest chain. So this will be the longest chain of carbon atoms. So again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons are there. So you will write pent. Okay. So this is pent for 5 carbon atoms, and the primary suffix. Look at the bonds. Single bond, single bond, single bond. All are single bonds. So this will be pentane. Now you have 2 substituents over here. One is chlorine and the other one is methyl. Now, so in which way you have to give numbering? From left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In which way you have to give numbering? So here, since you have 2 substituents, so then you have to go for this preferential order. So look, where is this chlorine and CH3? So chlorine is here and CH3 is here. So the one which is on the top, that should get the least number. Okay. So between chlorine and methyl, that is CH3. CH3 is on the top. Okay. It is placed above this chlorine. So CH3 should get the least number. So if you give numbering from left to right, chlorine is getting 2 and methyl is getting 4. But if you give numbering from right to left, methyl is getting 2, chlorine is getting 4. So as per this preferential order, methyl should get the least number. So from right to left is the correct method of numbering the carbon atoms. So you have to give numbering from right to left. So now in this case, so the position of methyl group is on the second carbon. So this will be 2 methyl, and chlorine is on the 4th carbon. So 4 chloropentane. So this will be 2 methyl 4 chloropentane. So whichever is placed higher in the preferential order, so that should be given least number, that you have to see. Let's see another example. Now again we have a single carbon chain. So again we start with the root word. How many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 5 carbon atoms, pent will be the root word. And coming to primary suffix. So how do we give primary suffix? Based on the nature of the carbon-carbon bond. So here you have a carbon-carbon triple bond. So even at least one triple bond is there, it will become ine. If it is a double bond, it will be ene. If it is a double bond, it will be ene. If it is a triple bond, it will be ine. Okay. If all are single bonds, it will be ane. Okay. So just remember, even at least one triple bond is there, so then it becomes ine. And position. What is the position? So again, so you have to give preference to this triple bond. So you all have single bonds and a triple bond. So between single bond and triple bond, you have to give preference to triple bond. So you have triple bond on the right side. So we will give numbering from right side only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now where is this triple bond? The triple bond is between first and second carbon. So you will write pent 1 ine. This is pent 1 ine. Another example. CH3, CH2, COOH, Cl. So now here we have a chain which contains 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. So for 4 carbon atoms, what will be the root word? It will be but. For 4 carbons, but is the root word, and between the carbons all are single bonds. So this will be butane. And you have a functional group COOH. This functional group COOH. So for this COOH, what will you write? You will write oic acid as the secondary suffix. So when you write the secondary suffix, you have to remove this E and you will write oic acid. So this will be butanoic acid. And you have a chlorine atom also. There is a chlorine substituent over there. So now, to show the position of this chlorine substituent, you have to give numbering. So again, from which side you have to give numbering? So again, you have two functional groups or one functional group and one substituent over there. So now between these two, COOH is here and chlorine is here. So now the one which is placed above, so that has to be given preference, means that should get the least number. So between chlorine and COOH, COOH is on the top. So obviously you have to start numbering from this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now with respect to this, the position of chlorine is third carbon. So it will be 3-chloro-butanoic acid. So this is the name of this compound, 3-chloro-butanoic acid. Let's see another example. CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. So now again, you have a carbon chain with 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are there. So this will be but. Carbon-carbon single bonds. I am talking about bonding between carbon-carbons. Okay. So carbon-carbon single bond, carbon-carbon single bond, carbon-carbon single bond. So this will be N, butane. And you have this functional group, C double bond O. So this is nothing but this C double bond O. So when this functional group comes, the secondary suffix will be on. So this is called ketone group and the secondary suffix will be on. So before you write the secondary suffix, you have to remove this E and write this on. So now this will be butane on, but you have to show the position of this ketone group or this on group. Okay, so now if you give numbering from left to right or right to left, so which will give the least number to this functional group? So this is on the right side. Okay, so if you give numbering from right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, so you will get 2. If you give numbering from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, it is getting 3. So which is the lower number? 2 is the lower number. So you have to give numbering from right to left. So this will be butane 2-on, or it can be 2-butanone. You can bring that 2 to the front. So it becomes 2-butanone. So it is 2-butanone. Let's see another example. CH3, CH2, CH2, OCH3. So now here you have 2 carbon chains. Okay, so this is one carbon chain, a set of carbon. This is a carbon chain, and here there is another carbon chain. So you have to choose the longest chain. So in this you have 1, 2, 3 carbons. So here you have only one carbon. So this will be the longest chain. So first you have to name this, right? So how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 carbons. So for 3 carbons you will write prop, and between single bonds propane. Okay, so there is no functional group, and this OCH3 together taken as a substituent. Okay, this OCH3 is taken as substituent, and this OCH3 is nothing but methoxy. This OCH3 is called methoxy substituent. So here it will be methoxypropane. Methoxypropane, and position. You have to give this numbering from right to left because this substituent is on the right side. So you will give numbering from right side only, 1, 2, 3. So it will be, the substituent is on the first carbon. So it will be 1-methoxypropane. Okay, I will tell you how to remember this preferential order or the priority. So the first four groups, COOH, CHO and OH, these are functional groups. That means you are giving first priority to the functional groups, and after that you'll be giving priority to the multiple bonds. Okay, so first you will give priority to the functional groups and then multiple bonds between carbon and carbon. So that is double bond, triple bond and then single bond. Then you will give priority to methyl group, methyl, then methoxy, then methoxy, and after that these all are halogens. These all are halogens, that is bromine, chlorine, fluorine, iodine in the alphabetical order. So B, C, F, I. So halogens will be in alphabetical order. So the preference will be given in the alphabetical order. So this is how you can remember the preferential order when you write the IUPAC name of an organic compound.